Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my best vlog camera slash mics for new beginners. So honestly, I'm just going to show you the stuff that I used to use back in the day when I was first starting YouTube. Honestly, I don't have my other iPad right now, but I have it somewhere, but I don't find it. I wouldn't find it right now. I'm gonna show you stuff that I used to use when I used to do my vlogs back in the day, and then I'm gonna show you the new mic now, and I'll still explain more about it to you again. So let's sit down, relax, and let's get right into that video. Alright, so the first one, honestly, I'm going to tell you, is my old iPad, but I don't have it right now. So I used to use those back in the day. I would say for beginners, if you're somebody that uses an iPad or a phone or a laptop, that's like a best beginner. Now, of course, I do have my HP laptop that I use. Some of you were asking me when I did my computer, asked me if this is a 11. No, this is Windows 10. Okay, HP. This is when I used to use when I used to do videos on this. And even before when I had this, I had my iPhone 5 and then I had my own iPad. So those were things that I used to use back in the day. And of course, I used to use these Sona headphones. Still work, listen to music with them, do videos, all that stuff. And all now, I enjoy using these things because those what I used to use back in the day. Okay? And of course, I don't have my old iPad to show you right now, but you probably know what it is already, so you don't have to worry. So now I'm going to show you my new recent stuff that I used to use, and I'm going to tell you what I like about them and so forth. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we're getting right into the video. So the first couple of days, even before I got mics, of course I used to use my AirPods. Still love these. Use these like when I do my TikToks, and I used to use these when I used to do my YouTube videos. Yeah, these things still amaze to me. And of course, I had these headphones that I got from Amazon that I use when I guess you guys couldn't hear me well. I used to use these headphones, but I don't use them as much. And even before when I was filming, I used to use that big old selfie ring light. Honestly, this is the remote, but the thing kind of broke, so I used this to pause and play my videos. It's a good savior. And of course, I have a new pink selfie ring light. Not new, but like I got this replaced because of my black one, the big one that broke. Use this on can use it on my iPad, can use it on my iPhone, can use it on my laptop. So if you want to get more light for your videos. And if I knew from day one, and I wish I knew for beginners. You see when I had my laptop before, and you guys usually say how it was too dark. If I knew, I would have bought a ring light to brighten it. But even though before when I had the big old selfie ring light, I used it, right? But I knew those times I would have used that for to make my videos more lighter. But it's not a big deal. Okay, now we're gonna be working on the mics that I used to use. Okay, let's pause. Now on to the mics. Okay, so honestly, you guys know, used to use these mics. Okay, back in the day, all now they're still good. When I used to buy these, the thing would just break. This is the thing that plugs in to connect with the mic, and then this comes with like a little, what's it called, headphone that it came with. I used to use this headphone like if I'm making a video and stuff like that. very cool and very interesting. This is good for like for beginners, and nowadays people do use mics now because it's more easier. You just put on your neck like this and you can still talk and everything, which is really really cool. Even though most of the time, like if you don't charge them, they do tend to cut off. But I really like um, using these mics because now when I use these mics, they're very helpful in any kind of a way. Okay, now we're going to be talking about the iPad that I got. So this is called an iPad Generation. I got this year would be, next one will be 2 years. So it's still new to me. 2 years since I had this iPad. You guys know I use this iPad when I'm doing my videos, my YouTube videos, do random videos on here. Now I can find apps that I can edit my videos. My other iPad could not do that because it was too old. But I remember I used to do so much things on this that I can't even stop thinking how proud I am, because I'm the type of person where when it comes to doing a video and just putting something out there, you just know what you need. So if you are a beginner and you're somebody that does not have like want to use an iPad, use an iPad, use a phone, use a laptop, get a mic, and like I said, it does not have to be a perfect phone, a perfect iPad, a perfect laptop. The only reason why I had this is because the one I had before was way too old and I couldn't do all these things. So that's why you get something that's required to you as a beginner, because you feel like if you get that, then that is way good. Okay? Now let me tell you about this mic that's right here in front of me. Oh. So I'm going to be telling you about this mic. So let's pause and do that. Okay. Now we're going to talk about this mic. So I just got this mic. I just got this mic 2 months ago, which is December, the end of the year. So decided to use this on my laptop, use this on my iPhone, use this on my iPad. Okay. So I remember I use this mic. Okay. So I'm gonna unplug it and show you what it looks like better. Alright. So this is the mic, how it looks like, has its own stand, the lights. This is how where you should be talking with, and this plugs for iPhone. Now I did got a comment on this saying how it does make noise, and you guys kind of have to understand. Look how long the cord is. It's a very long cord, and my phone is is an iPhone 12 mini, so it's very small. So if it's gonna make noise, I sometimes put it behind me so I don't really move it around and do anything. But what I like about this mic, it's a mic where I can talk and nothing happened. I remember the last time I did a Valentine vlog and for some reason everything was gone. I think I plugged it wrong. But this is a very good mic. Like if right now, for example, if I'm doing a video and someone's calling me, I can actually pause this. Right? This is a good mic for a beginner. If you're somebody who does not want no interruptions, pause it. Right? You may have seen it sometimes when it's red, it pause. And what I'll tell you is that I love this mic because it's like right now I can just do anything and not worry about like, oh, I can't do this, oh, I can't do that, blah, 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 blah. And that's why most of the time, it's like when I use this, no issues. When I use the other mic sometimes, cuts out. And sometimes maybe it needs to charge. This one, you plug it in, there is no problem. So this is like a good mic for a beginner. And like I said, does not have to be like this. It could be different type of mic. People buy the mics that have like the kind of a fur on it. Yeah, those type of mics. So I like this mic because it's big and it's easy to just do anything. You can do a regular music video, a YouTube video, anything, things that you want to do, or like to do a podcast or a positive video. If you're someone that loves to make videos all the time, this is it. can even make a YouTube video. Okay, so this is good. Love this. I love this so much, and it's a video. It's a video. It's a mic. What's wrong with me? It's a mic that you can just use. Okay. Now let's talk about my iPhone. iPhone 12 mini, bro. Talk about now. Alright, guys. So this is gonna be the last official one. Is my iPhone 12 mini. Okay. Again, this is 2 years ago. December will be 2 years since I had this phone. So it's still brand new. Of course, I use this to do YouTube videos, all my random stuff. I use this phone. I just want to say that this phone is amazing because I love using this phone. Even though most of the times when my storage cut out, I do upgrade my storage. So I'm grateful for the storage now. So I can just do anything I want. Of course, I have other apps that I can use to edit my videos on, which is great. So I'm very grateful that I can actually do something and be like, okay, I'm going to use this. Because that is what I like to do. And when you try to get something, that is what you need to do. Okay? And of course, I do have this little lighting right here. That I use most of the times. You may have seen me show you a video with this. I use this when I'm doing my, could be my YouTube video, my topics, anything. It's such a good lighting. I love using this thing because, like I said, most of the times my videos does tend to get dark, and if I don't have nothing to brighten them, I can use this to help, right? So that is what I like to use, and that's how I like to edit my videos because that's what I need, okay? And this is like a best thing for a beginner because I really like this. And all these things that I'm using right now, even this, such a saver, because I know what I like to use and I know what's capable for my believes in when I'm using my stuff, because I believe in using everything I have here. You know, even using my laptop back in the day when I used to do my videos. So it's like I love using something, especially when I know it's right. Okay, so if you feel that you don't know what equipment, you use what you have. Doesn't have to be exactly what the person have, but you just use what you have. So anytime you feel like you need to use something, just use it. Okay? Alright, y'all. So other than that, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this video. I honestly do say I do like this type of video because it's like if anybody not sure what to use as a beginner, then you know this can actually help someone to know what I use and everything like that. And if you're somebody that wants to use like headphones, all these things, like use it. That's how you can have good videos and things that will help. Okay? So my next video, I'm going to be talking about my editing workout from dumb to done. Okay? So I'm basically going to talk about how's my editing so far, how I think I'm doing. And then the last one is going to be talking about 12 hobbies I actually kept this year. So I'm going to just make 12 hobbies because we all need to have 12 hobbies in our lives, okay? All right, so I'm going to go end this vlog. Let me go edit this. There's some more vlogs from me you can go watch. I'm doing these vlogs for you guys so you guys can use the time to watch me. And I hope you guys are enjoying me. And I cannot wait to see you guys on my next one. All right, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social medias. And I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye. Oops. I hit myself. Bye-bye.